Mutongoi wa Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niwaweta kana niwambiiyitye matambya manene ma kwithoosya ta mukitii wa kivila cha Usumbi kulani nene syukite uungu wa ngwatanio ya Azimio Aineena itina kutongoesya umbano wa nzama nene ya kyama kikwi muthenyani wa umunthi. Kalonzo niwavithua kana niwithiitwe na mbumbano mbingi na atongoi na itui nene ngwatanioni ya Azimio oete lilingilia ya muthia kuma kyamani chake cha Wiper no kana kulika na mau eli utetini ukite wa Usumbi kukitana nake President William Ruto. Ripoti yake Benjamin Mwaka.
We umbano wambe mwaka uwanza manene ya chama cha Wiper yani NEC members umwe kwa umwe ayumbe maseneta utongoi wa mbunge sya kaunti maspika ma mbunge hii ondumwe na atongoi yange anene chamani ki mei mawikaloni ma Wiper mutano wa Karen tenetene vamusini novi na indi mutongo wa chama ki Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niwe eitongoesye umbano uno katwa agenda nene mesani unene nyauthi uteti utavithika hoyu wa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kula nene syukite sya Usumbi. Kalonzo iweta kana oaende kwetela lingilea muthia chama ni uendeesye maunene nya mathandau na atongo ya nene nthini wa Azimio ndongo ya ODM Raila Odinga wandu mathakarwa na Kenya umwe na Gideon Moi wa chama cha KANU kukonya mwana wake wa kukutia Usumbi ukite na tikiti wa Azimio.
As far as Wiper is concerned, they are very clear on the way they want to go. Of course, National Executive Council do not have the mandate to endorse a presidential candidate at this stage. But nothing prevents that presidential candidate from covering the length and the breadth of this country, introducing himself, consulting. Those are the words. We are in constant consultation. You heard me tell you I'm talking to Raila. We are talking this morning. We had a meeting with Senator Gideon Moi. I think the other day I met Eugene, yeah, and we've been talking to each other. We were with Mother Karua at the award of the Jurist of the Year award at the French Embassy. We talk.
Kuyanana na chama cha Wiper nikana kuma na mavaluku ma serikali ya oyu musindani woka we na vina na maso malumu kumwenu cha President William Ruto no Kalonzo Musyoka no kana kutangia nthi kuma muisiono wa serikali ya oyu hilete na teina mwene nthi ona wanini.
We urge Kenyans not to lose hope, and we remind them that Wiper Democratic Movement has a leader who is fit for leadership of the country. We will present his candidature to the party organs in due course.
Some others thought that when I wore my robes and took part in the protests called upon, which were called by our society's president, Bwana Theory, they thought I organized that. Oh my goodness, these people have a larger life than I claim to. If I can marshal the whole of the law society to go and protest, then they better be very afraid.
Na mwaskali maki utati ma Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ilembetane okamba di mathocha savali no State House maiweta kiwanza oyu kimwetele na moko eli na ivinda ya Kalonzo kusumbika yuno indithiki ya kuyaniha Wiper thiweta thiende ya kuyaka na kuthandanja nthausi yake ikono zionthe cia nthi no myele mivitu pala yumbe ma kaunti ya Meru monanisye wendi wa kuthukumana na chama cha Wiper utetini ukite wa Usumbi.
These are my neighbors, these are my brothers and sisters. So if we can get together, no wonder there's a big movement of leaders from Meru actually joining this party.
Going forward, we are going to see more. And we are going to bring all the regions of this country together because we believe that we are the uniting factor and we are the de facto President 2027.
Need to provide alternative leadership. Na leadership ilati weta ni utongoi wangilile na miongwele na mwanza candidate waitu kana party leader waitu titiene tio mo front mbwe wa yoso utongoi wanthina yitu na tui songa mbele kana wise thia sindu taino siende sike mbwe itu na kweka ingi katika nthi yitu.
MPs ma Taita Taveta County me ana atatu ni majamba cha Wiper Mombasa TMCs ma Wiper Kisiru na women rep wa chama cha Wiper titatonga mito Usumbi tona deputy president tena kivila kena pambana wabucholi katiba ni kena naipo na ipila mbinge syoka akamba mamane masa ne mabikie na mabituka nethabe mugamba wa makweni masako na kitwi wigweti okindu kingi ambe kulwa. Kenyans have decided the next president of the Republic of Kenya is Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Na indo no uovo chama cha Wiper ni chaendelea kuumania kwamba twangalama mikalile kuvuthisya kwa mauchuo makoti ni serikali no yao yuho ndumwe na wonzu wa ngwatanio ya Kenya na nthi atui na kwanana na Wiper tikana kwa President William Ruto na mundini wa kari Rigathi Gachagua kuendea na kau wa serikali nene ndumwe na muvya wosilwa makwani no wananyo wa serikali ngu kila kona ya utongoi wake.
There's nothing to negotiate. Absolutely. And I would be very disappointed if Chief Justice Kome was to fall for that obvious trick and fall into a trap.
Vilingo mauvo kuma vamusini wa Ilovi Nita wa Benjamin Mwakam.